Hey, what's up guys? Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 has leaked in all its glory, and there are quite a few interesting features coming to it. In this video, we are going to take a look at these amazing features. First of all, the rotating bezel is back, and we couldn't be happier about it. After missing the bus on Galaxy Watch Active and Active 2, the rotating bezel is returning with Galaxy Watch 3. If you have used any of the Galaxy Watches with the rotating bezel before, you will understand the hype around it. Not only does it add to the look of the watch, but also functions as a critical tool to interface with the software. It makes things like swiping up and down or sideways easy, quick, and precise, not to mention its fidgeting capacity. If you look closely, the bezel seems to have slimmed down when compared to Gear S3 or even Galaxy Watch, perhaps an effort from Samsung to make the watch look more elegant rather than bulky. Next up, Galaxy Watch 3 is supposedly coming in two sizes. No surprises there, but the sizes are a bit different to what we have seen before with Galaxy Watch. There is a 45mm and a 41mm version this time, as compared to the 46mm and 42mm versions on Galaxy Watch. And despite our hopes, desires and pleas for a bigger screen size, Galaxy Watch 3 screen sizes are in line with the Galaxy Watch Active 2. The 45mm version will support the 1.4-inch display, and the 41mm version will have the 1.2-inch display. If it's any consolation though, Galaxy Watch had a 1.3-inch screen size in the 46mm version. So, in essence, we are getting a slightly bigger screen in a smaller package. Taking a closer look at the buttons, there is a complete departure from the rubberized and rugged looking buttons on Gear S3 and Galaxy Watch. What we now have are much more traditional looking buttons. But taking even a closer look, and I'm purely speculating here, the two buttons look different. The one at the bottom is more like a traditional button, but the one at the top, well, it also looks like a button, but it's thicker, kind of like a scroll wheel maybe. Could Samsung be adding the digital crown-like element on this smartwatch, another way to interact with the software? Or perhaps this will help with the ECG support that Samsung may promise on launch, and which we might never see come to life. Anyways, this may be nothing, but if it is something, I am looking forward to it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. For the first time, Samsung is offering their smartwatch with a titanium band, and in this leak from EvLeaks, it looks dazzling. This once again gives Galaxy Watch 3 a more traditional look, a departure from Samsung's policy of making Galaxy Watches look rugged and sporty. This time they are making sure that you can wear your Galaxy Watch 3 to a formal meeting as well as on an adventure trip, as it comes loaded with IP68 rating and is military standard 810G compliant. This military standard compliance makes it much more durable and able to face harsh environmental conditions and even drops. Finally, let's talk about some miscellaneous features. Galaxy Watch 3 is rumored to have 1GB RAM and 8GB of internal storage. Nothing exceptional here. The 45mm version will have a 340mAh battery, whereas the smaller version will have 247mAh battery capacity inside. And Galaxy Watch 3 will run on Tizen OS 5.5 out of the box. Galaxy Watch 3 will also have support for blood pressure monitoring and ECG, but we don't know if it will be enabled worldwide. However, SpO2 monitoring seems to be missing. Samsung made the same promise for Galaxy Watch Active 2, but to this day, ECG and blood pressure monitoring has not been made available globally, pending FDA approval. I am afraid same might be the case with Galaxy Watch 3, but only time will tell. The watch is rumored to launch on 22nd July 2020 before the Galaxy Note 20 launch on 5th August. So let me know guys, what is your favorite feature in upcoming Galaxy Watch 3 and what would you like to see improved? I for one want to see better app ecosystem for Galaxy Watches. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.